Sakit nga. Nasakit yards.
You love me tomorrow. And don't take.
Hi everyone, this is Sen. Welcome to my channel, Essis Vlog. And ang gagawin po natin ngayon guys is try po natin itong Megan Peel Off Gel Mask. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa mga lahat ng nanonood ng aking video. Maraming salamat. At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe now and don't forget to click the tiny bell so that if I have a new video, you will be notified. And ito guys, ang ating gagawin ngayon. Itatry ko itong Megan Peel Off Mask and Firm and Brightening. Ayan guys, nabibili lang ito sa 7-Eleven. With cucumber extract siya guys. Ayan, ito yung kanyang hitsura and it's only 10 gram. First time kong gumamit ito guys. So, tignan po natin kung anong mangyayari sa ating mukha. And ito yung kanyang claim sa likod niya. Megan Peel Off Gel Mask with cucumber extract deeply cleanses pores and helps remove blackheads and brighten skin. So, it will brighten your skin and leaving your skin smooth, firm, and healthy. So, ang direction for use, guys, is apply to your face evenly and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes hanggang mag-dry siya. And then, ang pagtanggal is gently peel off from bottom to top. And after that, rinse with lukewarm water with your favorite facial wash. So, ito ngayon ang ating gagawin, guys. Basahin muna natin yung caution niya. For external use only, keep out of reach of children and discontinue use if the skin becomes red and itchy during the after use. So, hoping hindi po tayo magkaroon ng itchy feeling. So, gamitin ko guys, ito very, ano siya, medyo sticky and ginamit ko itong makeup brush ko pang apply sa ating mukha. Konti lang pala yung 10 grams. Hindi makikita na nag-green.
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys, pwede na nating i-peel off at medyo babanat na yung aking mukha. So, sana natuloy mo siya dito. Ayan. Ayan guys. So, umpisahan po natin dito sa baba ng pag-peel off. Ayan guys.
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys, ang resulta ng ating Megan Peel Off Gel Mask. Masasabi ko lang is maganda siya sa face, guys. Tignan nyo yung aking ilong is para siyang kuminis, and ang aking pisngi ay naging makinis din siya. So, okay siya guys. Approve ako dito, maganda siya, and hindi naman nag-red yung aking pisngi. Wala naman akong naramdaman na itchy or konting kate, wala. Medyo masakit lang siya talaga pag pinil off mo kasi meron pa tayong maliliit na buhok dito sa ating pisngi. Yun siguro yung masakit pag natanggal. Pero ang ganda ng resulta guys. Ayan.
Ganda na.
Oo. Ayan guys, ang ating Megan Peel Off Gel Mask. So ayan guys, ang ating review for the Megan Peel Off Gel Mask. At sa mga hindi ba nakasubscribe, please subscribe now to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that if I have a new video, you will be notified. Maraming salamat, and God bless everyone. Bye!